I always like to learn something new. And when I heard ReDI School open a SUNS and ReDI School joint program in cybersecurity, I'm quite curious to know what is it about.
I wanted to upskill in tech, but didn't know where to start until I saw the opportunity through ReDI. And I thought it was like, okay, maybe there could be one. And I just applied.
I can't express how much it meant to me that I was offered the opportunity to be on a SUNS course. I already had a background in software development, but I never had the chance before to work in a sandbox environment to try out the tools. And it was really nice to get hands-on experience, which I couldn't otherwise have gotten on my own.
This SANS course really helped me to understand what is the best path to go. I had a chance to meet the students and professionals from the industry. The other people's achievements also inspired me.
My favorite part is the community we built together with my fellow colleagues, the teachers as well, the support we got from SANS.
I found really like a community that I feel safe. It feels like a second home for me. I feel like I'm meeting a new family, I would say, in this program.
I really managed to bond with some of my co-students. We supported each other along the way a lot. When you find yourself in a new country, in a new environment, it really helps you to get yourself surrounded with the like-minded people, and to be blended into your community means a lot to us.
SANS brings a lot of credibility and respect in the industry. The women we work with are already very talented, but in this collaboration they get new and updated skills and a proof of the high level of skills that they bring.
It gave me confidence and also gave me a platform to network with people. So it was very inspiring to meet people and other women as well doing it. The tech industry, unfortunately, is very lacking representation, and nothing is changing in the past few years. And until we make the change, so opportunities come across like that, it won't be any change at all.
I think diversity and inclusion are important for two different reasons. One is that the threats are very diverse, and we need people with different perspectives and different backgrounds to be able to understand this. And diversity without inclusion is really nothing. So I think it's been very important to get understanding that somebody who's really skilled at cybersecurity can look a lot different than our colleagues have been doing for a long time.